perfect to go.
Hey y'all, I'm Claire Zinneker, an award-winning interior designer, mom, DIYer, hobby farmer, and lover of all things antique, based right here in Austin, Texas. If you've been following me for a while, you may remember that in 2019, I stumbled upon an old house on Facebook Marketplace that needed to be relocated to avoid demolition. Built in 1898, I knew I had to go see it. I am a lover of all old homes, and I immediately made an appointment to go and visit the house. It was love at first sight. The second I walked in, I saw all of her potential, all of the stories that she had, and I immediately knew I had to make her mine. I wrote a check for $15,000. I had no idea how to move a house or any amount of work that she was going to need, but I knew I had to have her. Embarking on a magical journey that changed my life forever. You may have seen snippets on my Instagram or have seen some things if you follow my channel here, but I have never fully shared the story. We have to paint the inside of the house, and I think I'd be better at this the second time. Please join me as I show never before seen moments and videos as I embark on this journey to rescue this house with my now husband, Adam. We really need to hit water. We put our hearts and some tears into this work, where we not only built walls, but we also built a beautiful life together. There were lots of unexpected moments. Yay! There was a proposal, there has been a wedding, and we even welcomed our little one to this home. So come along with me and welcome as we embark on this new chapter of learning, an exclusive dive into my personal and client projects, as well as following along on the behind the scenes from the build of this house that we live in now. So come along as I share hot topics on design, as well as the everyday adventures of my life and my family here. I can't wait for you to join me on this journey. Let's uncover the wonders of design life, unexpected treasures, and the beauty of turning our dreams into reality. If you have anything you want to add, please leave a comment and make sure you like and subscribe and keep following along. Thanks, y'all. I'm so happy to have you here.